clenching and grinding during the day. Try this biofeedback technique. The only time our teeth should touch is when we swallow, work out, and sometimes when we eat, because the teeth might touch when we eat. For a start, you've got to be aware you're doing it. You've got to catch yourself doing it. So this is what you do. Just sit up, you relax, tell yourself, this is not normal. Teeth apart, lips slightly touching, breathe through your nose. Teeth apart, lips slightly touching, breathe through your nose. Do that a couple of times. It's actually very relaxing. I should be doing this more often. What this does is this helps break that habitual daytime cycle of clenching and grinding. It may take a few months before you stop doing this. Follow and learn about how you can improve the quality of your choppers.